Hello everyone, you're on the Mr. Octopus channel. Today you will find out how to use Zelle to receive money. Let's go! Open your banking app. Login. Enter your username and password. Pay and transfers. Send money. Got it. Choose mobile number or email. Follow the instructions. After that, you will be able to receive money through Zelle. Now you know how to use Zelle to receive money. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.